students, I am Shalu Bhardwaj from Springfield Public School. I am your maths teacher. Children, we will be completing chapter number 7 today. In your previous class, you have started chapter number 7. Basics of this chapter you have done. Related to the cubes, you have learned in the previous class. Now, we will be learning about cube roots. You know that when a number is given to you, I am taking a number 2 and you have to find out its cube. What you have to do, you have to multiply this number 3 times. So, we'll get the result 8. We say now 8 is the cube of 2. Now we have to find out the cube root. Now cube root is the inverse operation of cube. It means 2 is the cube root of 2. 2 is the cube root of 8. Now, this is the symbol for the cube root. If you are writing this is wrong. This way you have to write, this is the symbol for the cube root. There are 2 methods to find out the cube roots. First is prime factorization method. And second is estimation. But today we will be discussing about only prime factorization method. I am taking one example. I am taking a number 3375. It is a perfect cube and you have to find out its cube root. So for this, what we'll do, we'll find out its prime factors. Method you know. Now how to find out the prime factor? 3 is the first prime number by which this number is divisible. We'll divide it and we'll get 1125. Now again it is divisible by 3. We'll get 375. Again it is divisible 125. Now we'll divide it by 5. Again by 5 and again by 5. Now cube root of 3375 will be. Now all these prime factors, will write it in cube root sign. 3 into 3 into 3 into 5 into 5 into 5. Now we'll make a group of 3 numbers because a number we are multiplying 3 times. Second number also. Now the cube root of 3375 will be 3 into 5. For one group we will be taking one number and for the second also we will be taking single number. 5 3s are 15. So cube root of 3375 is 15. Now I am taking one question from exercise. Question number 1, fifth part. I am taking 15625. Again the procedure is same. This number is divisible by 5. This number is not divisible by 2 because last number is 5. This number is not divisible by 3. This is divisible by 5. So this will be 3125. Again divisible 625 by 5 again 125. 5 again 25 and again 5. So these are the prime factors. Now cube root of 15625 5 into 5 into 5 into 5 into 5 into 5. Now again groups. Cube root 15625 is equals to 5 into 5, that is 25. So the cube root of 15625 is 25. Now you have to complete question number 1 of this exercise, and question number 2 and 3 will complete in the next class. Thank you and have a nice day.